Assalamu alaikum friends, I am your host Shoaib Ahmed and today I am showing you some leaks about Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So first of all we go to Google and type Note 9. The original picture and specification are just on internet in GSM arena. Attached or not GSM arena. So it has 6.4 inches 4K display, 12 megapixel 4K camera, 6GB RAM, Exynos 9810, octa-core, 3850 mAh lithium ion battery, is 4G technology. It has dual SIM card slot, IP68 water and dust resistant, Super AMOLED capacitive touch screen, 16 million colors, 6.4 inches 4K display. It has multi-touch display protection, Corning Gorilla Glass 5, HDR10 complaint, always on display has, and it comes with Android 8.1 Oreo, micro SD up to 512GB. All variants has 6GB of RAM, 64GB internal, 128 256, and it has two back cameras, both are 12 megapixel. Front, where is front camera? Yes, selfie 8 megapixel at dual video call, auto HDR, this is 4K. Front camera also has 4K video recording. Iris scanner, fingerprint scanner, accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass, barometer, heart rate sensor. It has non-removable battery. So we check the pics. These pictures are 100% official and original that we show you. So please wait. The design is infinity. It has some corner edges. The location of the location of fingerprint is not good. Something don't fix the location in this video. Sorry for slow internet connectivity. So this is the rear pictures that comes with officially pink color and golden color. It has new S Pen, new gestures. One camera is big and one is little bit small. So on the front side it has lot of sensors, iris scanner and many more. So friend, thanks for watching. Keep support, subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.